Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Despicable, and today I have an important video that will help you. So by recent studies, urinals are used for more than urinating and putting fecal matter in. Scientists have said that they are used to measure. Measure what, you may ask? They are used to measure the male reproductive piece, or as many call it, the penis. You may ask how they measure it with urinals. Now let me explain. In most bathrooms they have 3 urinals, sometimes 1 to 2. In the 3 urinal bathrooms, there's one higher, medium, and lower, as seen in this picture. Now for all you men out there, pay close attention. Urinals aren't only about how tall you are, it's also about how long your wiener is flaccid. If you use the tall urinal, it means your penis is closer to your body, aka short. Basically, your penis doesn't sag low enough to use a shorter urinal. The middle urinal is the average penis size. The middle urinal is also known as the gay spot because you can get a good view of 2 wieners on each side. The short one, you could guess, this is the spot for long wiener people, only. Being 6'5" and have your wiener sag so far down to the small urinal is a gift from the heavens, but also a curse. Some people who use the short urinal are even called the human tripod. Now, these urinal measurements have been proven to be 90% correct by studies from not only government funding, but also by corporations and colleges such as Yale. So to all the men out there, only use the short urinal to look like your wiener is massive. When you use it, also make sure to pull your pants down all the way down to your ankles to assert your dominance. Now to all the other people who have to use the higher urinal, it's okay. You know, I understand that you could be taller, but if you're standing about 5'2" and you're still using the tall urinal, I'm sorry buddy. You might want to use the middle urinal and get a good view of 2 wieners at once. But as I say, I started doing these studies a while ago for about a month just to make sure I was getting the accurate measurements. Now I actually tried it on myself and I asked a lot of other people what they think. So I went to the mall and I started measuring people's heights. I asked how tall they were and I viewed what one they went to. Then I asked them, and out of confidence, they told me their penis size. Obviously they could be wrong and they could be correct, but I'm hoping they gave me the correct answers. And I just found out that the 90% of correct studies, not only from what I have studied online, but also in person, that if you use the shortest urinal, not only are you shorter in height, but you could also have a massive wiener, depending on your body structure. Like fat people most likely go into, the shorter urinal, middle urinal, or tall urinal, depending your height and how fat, it covers you. But for the smallest wieners of all, they usually use the bathroom. By bathroom, I mean the one with the toilet in it, the little stall in the public restroom. They usually use that. Sometimes you don't have a choice and you have to use it, but that is what most fat people or small wienered people do if they are scared and do not know or want to use a urinal. Thank you for listening today on this scientific discovery. Thank you for watching.